White Dumpster stands as a pillar of excellence in waste management. With a steadfast commitment to quality and a dedication to serving the local community, White Dumpster is your premier choice for dumpster rentals in Uniontown, Ohio. Whether you are managing a residential cleanout, overseeing a home renovation, or handling a large-scale construction project, White Dumpster ensures that your waste disposal needs are met with the utmost professionalism and efficiency. White Dumpster understands that the waste disposal requirements of each project vary significantly. We boast a diverse fleet of dumpster sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for any endeavor, from a small-scale home improvement project to a meticulous yard cleanup to a large-scale construction undertaking. Our knowledgeable team can help you efficiently select the ideal dumpster size to accommodate your project's unique waste disposal needs. Let White Dumpster become your trusted partner in waste removal for your next project in Uniontown, Ohio. Visit our website at www.whitedumpster.com dumpster rental Uniontown OH or call 330-238-8519 to browse our dumpster selection and initiate a reservation. We look forward to helping you achieve a successful and efficient waste disposal experience.